Today, we're going to bring an electrical screwdriver. This is the smallest screwdriver I actually own. I'm going to take a look at it and see what you get. But first of all, I just want you to see the case itself. It's aluminum case, hard shell case. So when you drop it, nothing's going to happen. Very secure, easy fits in your pocket, in your front pocket or in your back pocket. It's smaller than my actual cell phone. Everything's included in here, including the actual screwdriver, and you're gonna have to charge it. And it's the Type C charging station, right? So we're gonna take a look at it and open it up and what you get. So right now you get 28 bits. The way you open it, just push the button here. There's like a mechanism that releases the actual toolkit itself. Look at this. Everything's lined up, uniform, very beautiful in details. Not only that, it actually tells you what's included in here in silhouette format. If you guys can see the cross, this is going to find the cross. And there's different kinds of sizes that you have to find out, because there's every single little tiny bit that you're going to be using. You could have to put it back in the same spot, and you won't forget it, because it's a visualization of how to come back and set up the actual tools and have them organized. Now, you're not done. There's more in the back, if you guys can see, and they have plenty of tools for you to work on, including the screwdriver, the electrical screwdriver. And it's very small. And right here, you guys can see there's an actual magnetic area that you could magnetize even screws, or save your screws in here too. That's perfect. If you're going to open them up and you don't want to lose them, this is a perfect way to set them up in here too. So we're going to use it today, and we're going to open up a laptop. And all right, if you guys can see, we're going to take our tool, right? And on the tool, on the screwdriver itself, all right, there's a couple things you should know. There's a reverse and there's a forward button, all right? When you go reverse, you can actually see it going back and reverse different level. And then you go up, it goes the opposite way. There's a little LED light indicating which direction it's turning, all right? You guys can see that. Forward and back. Very simple. In front of it, you'll find the LED lights. So if you're working in a very dark environment, or you're opening up some laptops, this is going to help you out. So let's go and put it together and open in one of our laptops here. All right, with the tools, we're going to open up this other laptop too that we need to move. So like I said, it's very simple to remove them, and this is all magnetic. So we're trying to look for a Phillips right now. And if you guys notice, it gives you a description of all the actual screws. I like that part. So we're going to put this one back, and we're going to get a Phillips here. And they're all magnetic, which I love, because that's something that it's missing a lot of my tools, where I cannot move it. So what I like to do is just like spin it just a little bit, and then let the machine do its own work. And like I said, you go get your screws, put them in this little corner here on the actual system here, and they won't go anywhere pretty much. So let's go ahead and do that. Just rotate a little bit. Pretty much does it. Now with this one, we could actually move into our unit and check things out, move things out the way. So by clicking on it, very simple, I'm able to repair things. And we're going to take a look at the SSD drive.